Sky Limit, Costa Rica. Starting off with zip lining. That's how we start our final day here in Costa Rica. Daisy's way up ahead, of course. Here we go.
Ay, 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 Hakuna Matata.
Yeah, don't need no worry.
First step is you take the sky tram, and as soon as you get to the top, you start setting up for the zip lines. But the sky tram, it glides, not too rickety, very safe. It was beautiful, and then you get this awesome view at the end of it.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, big arm. Big arm. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. You big monkey? Yeah. Try it. Do it.
That was like a dog monkey.
Hey, Tony, what are you doing, man? You see? That's a Costa Rica monkey, guys. Okay, tell me, who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Very good.
Ok, perfecto, pura vida la vida.
Oh, sí.
That was intense.
Yeah. Oh, it was so awesome. I was just like, woo-hoo-hoo.
I mean, you're going in, and as soon as you leave like the canopy of the forest, you're like, holy shit.
Yeah.
But then once you're in the middle of it, you feel okay, you feel confident in the wires. Just let it happen. You're like, holy fuck, this is awesome.
Yeah. Did you see everything, the view?
I wanted to close my eyes, but I couldn't help myself to close my eyes. So I left them open, and I'm so glad I did because the picturesque views are amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so good.
Yeah.
So awesome.
Oh, so good. Thank God there's a tree holding us up. Jesus. Oh, that's a tree.
Please, guys, I wish he hadn't done that.
Right.
I wasn't ready to
Right, you're right.
That's
Oh
quite a lot of pressure in my gentleman's ring.
Oh my lord.
Oh god.
So that's what we do now?
Yeah, looks like it.
Oh, good lord, what's he doing?
Let's go. There we go. Ay, ay, ay.
Don't knock me over with the... Yes. You knocked me over with yours.
Okay, that was interesting.
I'm looking like professional, my friend. I'm looking like a professional.
How do you feel about this next one?
Oh shit. Okay. Okay.
Look how high in the trees we are.
I know.
You too, mi amigo?
The good thing is that once you're going down, all the green covers the floor, so it doesn't look as high as you think it is. Well, as high as you know it is. But don't get me wrong, it's fucking high.
You're an asshole, Tony. Tony, macaroni.
Have a tequila shot right here.
Have a tequila shot. Uy.
Ya casi, ya casi.
Okay.
That was high,
Yeah.
but it was sturdy.
Yeah.
It was
You
more.
look nervous, Kate. ¿Qué pasa?
It was more sturdy than I thought it was gonna be, so that's a plus.
No.
Yeah.
Really?
Okay, who wants to go first?
Me, of course.
Ladies first. Ladies first.
Stop hugging it.
Ladies first.
All right. Next one, you can go first.
I'm gonna let you. I want to know if it's safe.
Your feet in the edge. I hold you. Do your tap.
Okay.
You sit down completely in your equipment. Like that. Your feet in the edge. Lean back a little bit. Like that. You see that? This is very easy. Woo! Oh my lord! Hey, upside down.
No hands.
Yellow point.
Okay, yeah.
And the yellow point.
There you go. How was it?
Oh, it was awesome. Thought it was gonna go by faster.
Ah,
Go, brother.
ah.
That's it, man. You got this.
The hardest part is knowing you're gonna go over it,
Uh-huh.
but then as soon as you're holding onto the two ropes and just hold on to that shit, and then your guide is holding on to that shit, and as soon as you're out, you just slowly come down.
Yeah.
But as soon as you're clear, they drop you. Holy shit. Good.
We survived, sir.
It's on your record today. Nobody died in that one. Yesterday, 2 people died in that accident.
I'm about, I don't know, like 100 feet up and still going. So this is a personal feat. Holy shit. It's wobbly but somewhat stable. Oh, oh, that was awful.
Vámonos. Let's go.
This is a great trail run.
Like that one? I asked him, has anyone ever fallen off? He's like,
That's reassuring.
oh, okay, that's fine.
No worry. Okay. You signed the waiver, remember?
But he ate a big breakfast. Yes. Ready?
Yes, señorita.
Why are you stopping and putting all the weight?
Oh, come on! Oh, what the? That was so mean.
How are you doing?
Bullshit.
Come on, Nacho.
Come on, Tony!
Both of you guys. Hey, what circus did they find you guys at? What's this, death? Whatever. Still walking the treetops of the rainforest. Monkey report, we're still at 0. Day 5 of Costa Rica. 0 monkeys. Still 0. I think they gave us the monkey repellent instead of the bug repellent. Nothing.